Okay, so now for the first episode of our guide here with the Pygame, we get our cat and we move it around, but we don't like um, this kind of moving, and we want him to go to the um, until we press the button. We want this thing to go, the character to continue going until we um, leave the button, so until we key up. So if event type equal key up, okay, something will happen. We will stop doing going there. So cat the right, cat the left. So we want to say here, for example, after the, let me put it here after the screen fill. Mm, if cat there, okay, I wanna this one here. If cat there equal right, okay, cat plus equal 10. So this should if event type cat there equal nothing. Let's see what happens. Okay, as you can see, it goes always straight ahead. Let me go just one at a time. Okay, you see here that when it goes up right down, but if I go right, you see here. Okay, apart from the beginning that um, apart from the start where you see that is going from there, and let me just fix it in a simple way by putting at the beginning. Okay, now you see that when I go here I have to press more times to go to the left. Instead, when I keep press it, I just go until I press key up. So um, here I can put this thing. If it's not this one, okay, if get there, go right, it's gonna go there. Then 1 2 3. Then instead I want to go -1. When I go up, go -1, but it's the y. And when it's down, it's +1, but it's that one. So let's go here and make it left, make it up, and make it down. Okay, yeah, I just inverted right and left, I think, because I left the not equal. Equal. Okay. Okay. The up and down do not works like the other one. Okay, for now it's all good. Let me see if I go here and 100, then let me accelerate it a bit. See that when I do not move is standing. So when I just change a little bit the things here to make it actually stand when it stands and move, and then we will okay, and up and down, down. Let me okay, so let's go again. So up, down, and down. Okay, we're good. When it goes up and down, it doesn't idle. Okay, and now instead of idle, I wanna put work in here. See what happens. Look, it's working. When it goes up and down, it doesn't work. It's cute, isn't it? Perhaps the animation is a little bit too fast. So here I'm gonna put, let's say 2 instead of this. No, it's going a little slower. But I gotta put it to 1. Okay, now it's kinda nice. I could even go even slower. Okay, this is too much. Let's go to 0.8. Yes, kinda like it. Maybe 9. Or maybe 1 is good. Yeah. Now it's alright. We got our... Now I want that when Now we want to do another thing here. The cat got this works thing here. We want to make another list. And with the idle, this time I want to call it this one self dot list idle equal this one. And so I want to update here and do just a simple thing here. If self dir equal tata, let me duplicate this, put it there, Pygame transform, etc., list 2, and the same here. So I'm gonna do if this else this, and here I'm gonna duplicate this, put this like this, put this like list 2, and if self dir equal tadam is this. Instead, if instead no, else, it will be like this. Let's see if this works. Of course, there is some equals that is not in the right place. Let's go. Yeah, it didn't work, but I know why, I think. Okay. Why it doesn't animate the right way that I was thinking? Okay, cat idle. Let me see. List idle. Okay, I missed. It's list idle, not list 2. List idle. List idle. Get back to it. But it's not work. Does not work. Self list idle. Pygame transform self image equal this as if self there equal. This thing that goes out of range. Okay, now it works. The only problem is that it always has this idle position in the, okay, in this way. So I could just make, why here doesn't, I made something wrong that at the moment I can't get, right? I could leave it like this. There could be no problem, um, but of course, because I should remember where it was going before, and how can I get it? Um, I must put here something that reminds me. Self um, self prov equal self dir. I must memorize where does it came from. And I'm gonna put it here. self-prof equal right. I'm gonna leave it like this. This one must go up and this one must go here. So if self-prof equal right, okay, else, and this one goes down here, else I'm gonna put this one so idle. Okay. What is the invalid syntax? Self image. What I made here, a little mess. Okay, this one goes up here. Okay, and yeah, cat is no attribute prof, of course, and okay, nice, but now it stands, but it doesn't move. Okay, let me see why it doesn't animate. If the counter plus equal 1. Okay, this one must go here. Okay, now it's fine. So now for the animation, we get our cat standing in either position, moving left and moving right. Okay, it's all done for now. I think we are good. We're gonna leave the up and down like this because probably we wanna make it jump in the next episode, and see you then. See you later in the next post.